So just starting gastown up here with GT start. Might take a little bit. Do GT mare attach to attach the mare. So now the mare's up. So I'm working on this project called Forged Ads, and I'll just go into here and start the project. Let's just docker compose up build. And that should start. So there it's made a polecat called Chrome and Rust, and now it's going to sling Git issues to that. You can also see that on the dashboard here. We have these two convoys. One's the TypeScript types and constraints, and one's the database for the campaigns. So if we go, so you can see there it says Chrome has this FAH7F, which is a DB migration, and Rust has TypeScript with GT status. Yep, both of them are working now, Chrome and Rust. And if we go Control B W, we can actually scroll down to Chrome and have a look at what they're doing, and Rust as well. So these are separate agent terminals inside of the mare. The mare is controlling Chrome and Rust, or it's not controlling it fully, but it's telling them what to do, what work to do. So as you can see, wave run is running now, and if we go GT convoy list, we can see there's two convoys, which is what we saw in the dashboard as well. And this is the agentic part. Literally, I am going to sit back and do literally nothing, as this is just going through my tokens, as you can see.